Hello everyone, today we'll be making a timer event with Microbit. Microbit is an event-driven system, meaning that the Microbit is waiting for something to happen, then execute code for that event. We have been using event-driven all the time, such as on button pressed or on shake. Notice that all the event blocks are rectangular shaped. One of the useful events is a timer event. It is an event that will call a function every time elapsed. For example, if you want to get the temperature from a sensor every second, you want to send out data to another device every certain time. The good thing about using a timer over a pause block is that the timer will not block or wait until it's complete, so it makes the program run smoother. Since MakeCode does not have a timer event block, we'll be making it on Microbit's Python, right here. Don't worry if you don't know Python. It's only a few lines of code. In this video, I'm going to be making a simple blinking LED using a timer. First, I'm going to make a function. I'm going to call it blinking. Okay. And then I'm going to go to LED and grab this toggle block. What toggle does is, if it's off, it's going to turn it on. If it's on, it's going to turn it off. So we're going to put that into blinking. And finally, I'm going to make a timer that will call the blinking function every 200 milliseconds. I'm going to have to go to Python and type control .set underscore interval. It's going to bring up a default line over here and a default function right here. We're going to replace the word pass in this function, and we're going to switch it to blinking with 2 parentheses. If you call this something else other than blinking, type your function name and put it right there. Now in the 0 over here, we're going to replace that with, in this case, 200 milliseconds. So now that we have made this, we can go back to blocks. You see that there's the function. Over here on the onStart, it will still say Python code. Oh. I'm going to set this to 2 because that'll be in the middle of over here. And there we have it. We have a blinking LED using a timer event. So that's how you make a timer event in Microbit. That's it for this video. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any other videos like this.